Today we're gonna clean a room that I never show on camera, or very rarely. So this is my office. It has gotten completely out of control. It's been 2 months and it's time to get this place back in order. So I film in here. I also work in here. I do like crafting, scrapbooks, anything and everything goes in here. I also need to clean my makeup brushes, but we will do that later. Not sure if I'm gonna film that. So here's my game plan. I'm gonna get this desk cleared off first. So we're gonna get all the makeup out of here, anything that needs to go away into my bathroom or somewhere else in the house. I have a big box and I am just gonna put everything in it that doesn't belong in here. So some of this stuff belongs in my bathroom or downstairs, just random items in here. So we're gonna get that stuff out of here and we're just gonna do like little sections at a time. This cleaning spray is so good. I've talked about it before. It's the fresh cut grass. It smells so good. It's limited edition, so go to Target and pick it up before it sells out. And it works so good, especially like on this desk. I get makeup and stuff on it and it just picks it right up. Really good. So I also like to keep a garbage bag so I can quickly go through, grab things that need to go in the garbage, throw them out. This is all of like my awards and random stuff, and I've been meaning to organize them into a bin, so that's what we're gonna do here, get that out of the way. This other desk is more like decorative, just background, kind of just in here because it looks nice. And I did clean it, but I lost that footage somehow. So this is the desk where I like to actually work at, and I will do like crafts at and everything, and that's been really cluttered. So it feels good to just get everything out of here that I'm not using and just get everything back and tidy in order again. So like I was mentioning, I am doing scrapbooking. It's something that I do. So these are all of the art projects and things that I need to go through, and some of the stuff I keep and some of this stuff I'll put in the scrapbook or I'll take a picture of it, but it does need to be dealt with. That's, I feel like, the biggest source of clutter. So this side is looking much better. Let's move on to this side. It is atrocious. It is a mess. This is everything for scrapbooking. I love this little picture printer. I'll link it down below. It's awesome. And then I just have all this stuff for like gift wrapping out still. I have a space for it in the closet. I don't know why I can't just get it together and put things away after, but life gets in the way. But at least I have a space for it and everything is organized, so it's really easy to get things back on track. But this is some of the other stuff that I'm doing for my son's scrapbook, and I will put up in the cards. I've done YouTube videos on it, so if you want to check it out and see how I go about that, I will put that up there. So this is a new purchase. It prints the shipping labels so I don't have to use my printer and then tape it on. So I am excited about that purchase. I got it off of Amazon, I think. I'll put it down below, but it works pretty good and the adhesive comes right with it. That's what that roll of tape is. My goal here is to make 2 different piles for the scrapbook so everything is organized and ready to go and I can just sit at my desk and bang it out. So that's what I got done. And can we give a moment of silence for my shredder? It has worked so hard for me for years and it finally crapped out. I cannot fix the thing. This side of my office has not looked this good in months. I am so happy now. I feel so much lighter. So we're just gonna get vacuuming now. And the reason why some of the clips are vertical, unfortunately, my other camera, I thought I was recording and I wasn't. So some of the stuff I had to use my other footage, like vertical footage for. So that's why it's like that. Let me get the desk and everything put back and I will show you the reveal, and then we're gonna build this slim storage cart and I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna organize that. But here's another quick shot of the desk. It's ready to go. And then I just have a bin underneath of stuff that I am selling on Poshmark. This thing is so great. So you can get it right off Amazon. It is a skinny cart. So it's a very small, slim storage cart. So I'm gonna show you how I build it. Super easy, super straightforward, comes with everything you need, no tools, literally takes 5 minutes, well maybe 10 minutes, but the only thing that I wish it did have was different sizes of poles. So it has the longer poles that I'm going to put on the bottom, and then it just has an option for one shorter one, as you'll see here in a minute. And I just wish there was more sizes, but the wheels are great because they come with little locks, and I'll show you also in a second so you can see how that works. So these are just little hooks that you can put on. I just wouldn't put anything super heavy on the top. So I keep like cleaning supplies and stuff in another room in my laundry room, and I put all that stuff on the bottom, and then you can put like other items on the top that are lighter. I have a good idea of how I want to pack this cart for this room specifically. I know what I need to keep, and I have a perfect spot that I can just tuck it away, and it's going to be very convenient where I can just roll it out when I need it, switch out the items, and then tuck it back away in the corner. This is what I was talking about before with the locks. So you just kind of flick them back and forth, and they lock, and it rolls super easy. You'll see here in a minute. Obviously, it's very slim, so you do have to be careful. You don't want to tumble it over, but let's quickly build this, and then I'll show you how I'm going to stack it. All right, she is ready to go. So I'm going to do cleaning items on the bottom, disinfectant wipes, a cleaning spray, and some rags. And then on the second shelf, we're going to do baby wipes, and we're going to do makeup removing because those are the stuff that I always keep in here. Perfect spot for my makeup brushes. I have my beauty blenders and everything. And then these are like the skincare and the makeup items that I'm always reaching for that are just quick grabs and nice to have. A few lippies I'm going to stick in there, my favorite setting powder, little hair items, and then a perfume I figured would be nice to have when I'm getting ready. So this is my storage cart that I'm keeping in my office, and I'll show you here in a second. Look at how perfect it is. I can just have it right there, and then I can just tuck it away, and it takes up minimal space. I will link some of my other cleaning playlists. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.